Because of what we did, there will now be police on the beat, firefighters on the job, and teachers preparing lesson plans who thought they would not be able to continue pursuing their critical missions. We've saved jobs by closing state budget shortfalls to prevent the layoffs of hundreds of thousands of police officers, firefighters, and teachers who are today on the beat, on call, and in the classrooms because of the Recovery Act. But it's not enough to change the law. We also need cops on the beat to enforce the law. Patients can beat this disease because I know when the playing field is level, nobody can beat us. They're still trying to attack everything that these reforms accomplish. They're hiding rollbacks of key protections in unrelated bills. They're blocking the financial cops on the beat from doing their job. Remember, 60 years ago, when the Russians beat us into space, we didn't deny Sputnik was up there. But I have every confidence that you guys could have beat anybody else. And because of this plan, cops are still on the beat, and teachers are still in the classroom. Shovels are breaking ground, and cranes dot the sky. And new life has been breathed into private companies like Sharon Arnold's. And already,
What did I expect as national co-chair of Senator McCain's presidential campaign to be called into action by the person who beat us?
and I know you've beat Army 7 straight times. And so I don't want to diminish how tough it is. If you're working 2 shifts, you're coming home beat, and then suddenly, you're also expected to help on the homework and do all these things. If you've got somebody out there saying, not that, let's get the best bill possible, but instead says, let's try to beat this so we can gain political advantage, well, that's not, I think, what the American people expect. From the moment I entered office, my administration has worked to beat back this recession by creating jobs and unfreezing credit markets, and extending unemployment insurance and health benefits to Americans who are out of work. But despite the big stories of our era, serious journalists find themselves all too often without a beat. It's hard for any of us to imagine the mindset of someone who would kidnap a young man and beat him to within an inch of his life, tie him to a fence, and leave him for dead.